Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best instant espresso powder is probably one of the most sought-after baking ingredients for its rich, intense flavor and unmatched convenience. Today, we will explore why it's a game-changer for both novice and expert bakers, examining its unique properties, applications, and how to select the perfect product to transform your culinary creations into masterpieces. Number 5. Civilized Coffee Espresso Powder. It's the best espresso powder, as awarded by America's Test Kitchen. This makes it perfect for adding a rich coffee flavor to all of your favorite recipes. Pastry chefs love it. It enhances chocolate and is ideal for baking into cookies, cakes, and brownies. It's non-GMO and allergen-free. It dissolves easily and adds amazing flavor to any recipe. Use it as a garnish. Sprinkle it on your favorite coffee drinks, protein shakes, cocktails, or mocktails for an extra touch of flavor. Made from premium Colombian coffee beans, it delivers a smooth, rich coffee flavor. It comes in a reusable and recyclable container, perfect for storage and travel. Enjoy the convenience and help the environment. These instant espresso granules mix easily and dissolve quickly, making it simple to add to your favorite recipes. The improved cap helps you get just the right amount for cappuccinos, truffles, and tiramisu. Enjoy precise measurements every time. What we like? It's an award-winning product loved by pastry chefs. Its ease of use makes it perfect for any baker, regardless of skill level. If you're looking for a convenient and delicious way to elevate your baking, this is the one for you. What people say. Very good espresso powder. I used it to make espresso buttercream frosting, and it not only added a flavor kick, it smells amazing. Easy to add to a recipe. Gives chocolate baked goods a richer flavor. ATK did a video on coffee flavorings and selected Civilized as their winner. I went out and bought this small bottle right away and started using it in my creme brulee. Fantastic flavor. Number 4. Anthony's Organic Espresso Baking Powder. Introducing Anthony's Organic Espresso Baking Powder, a gluten-free and non-GMO baking essential. It's perfect for enhancing the chocolate flavor in all your favorite recipes. It's USDA certified organic, ensuring the highest quality ingredients. Each batch is tested and verified to be gluten-free. A little goes a long way. Just a pinch of this fine powder will intensify the chocolate flavor in your cakes, brownies, and more. It's made from microground organic coffee beans, without any fillers or additives. This ensures a pure and rich flavor. It dissolves easily, making it simple to incorporate into your recipes. Enjoy perfectly smooth and delicious baked goods every time. Use it to elevate the richness of your favorite baked treats. It's the secret ingredient to taking your baking to the next level. Please be aware that it contains caffeine. Enjoy responsibly. What we like? This USDA organic and gluten-free option is perfect for those with dietary restrictions. It's known for enhancing chocolate flavor in baked goods. If you prioritize organic ingredients and want to boost the chocolate flavor of your recipes, this is an excellent choice. Number 3. DeLallo Instant Espresso Powder. This is DeLallo's Instant Espresso Powder, perfect for baking and beverages. It's a rich, intense pre-brewed espresso with a delicious dark roast flavor. It's made from 100% dark roast coffee beans, delivering a naturally caffeinated boost to your day. It's also non-GMO, so you can enjoy it guilt-free. This fine espresso powder is pre-brewed, so it dissolves instantly in hot water or your favorite drinks. No more waiting for your espresso to brew. It intensifies chocolate flavor, making your desserts richer and more decadent. It's an essential ingredient for classic Italian tiramisu. Use it in lattes, hot cocoa, frozen coffee drinks, dalgona coffee, or even chocolate martinis. The possibilities are endless. DeLallo is a third-generation family-owned business, providing gourmet Italian ingredients since 1950. It's a taste of tradition in every jar. What we like? With its rich, intense flavor, it's a dark roast coffee lover's dream. Its versatility extends beyond baking. It's great in drinks too. If you appreciate a bold, dark roast and want a product for both baking and beverages, this is ideal. What people say. I use this espresso powder regularly for adding a bit of oomph to my chocolate. I put a teaspoon or so into brownies and a smidge into homemade chocolate sauce for my ice cream. It dissolves quickly and smoothly and makes the overall product taste a little chocolatier. The flavor is nice, not too bitter, so that if I go lightly, you don't even notice the coffee taste, just the flavor boost it gives. Most of the other instant coffees I've seen are granules, but this one is a fine powder, so as I mentioned, it dissolves really well. I love how easy this is to blend. Some instant espresso don't mix well. Number 2. Civilized Coffee Grande Espresso. It's the perfect ingredient for baking, enhancing chocolate, or adding a delicious flavor to your favorite smoothies, cookies, cakes, and brownies. This versatile powder makes baking a breeze. Non-GMO and allergen-free, it dissolves easily and adds amazing flavor to any recipe. Enjoy its smooth, rich taste without any hassle. The convenient bulk container is great for daily use, large recipes, and makes a thoughtful gift for bakers and chefs. It's also easy to pour and store. Sprinkle it on your favorite gourmet coffee drinks, protein shakes, cocktails, or mocktails for an extra touch of deliciousness. It adds a sophisticated flair to any beverage. Made from ground Colombian premium coffee beans, it delivers a smooth, rich coffee flavor that elevates any dish or drink. Experience the superior taste. It comes in a reusable and recyclable container, perfect for storing and travel. Enjoy delicious coffee while being environmentally conscious. What we like. This is another favorite among pastry chefs, known for its ease of use and large container. The bulk size is perfect for frequent bakers. If you bake often and need a large quantity of high-quality espresso powder, this is the best option for you. What people say. Perfect for baking and giving your chocolate the next level richness. I used about 2.5 tablespoons for a quart of ice cream and the flavor was very, very strong, not in a bad way. The powder is very fine, so I did have to use an electric whisk when mixing it into condensed milk. Great flavor when added to baked goods. An America's Test Kitchen episode recommended this product to enhance the chocolate flavor without adding more chocolate. The results have been amazing. Number 1. King Arthur Espresso Powder. Introducing King Arthur Espresso Powder, a premium baking extract that will transform your chocolate creations. It adds deep, rich flavor without that telltale coffee taste. This versatile powder enhances brownies, cookies, cakes, frostings, and even sauces. A little goes a long way in boosting the chocolate flavor. It's the perfect addition to your existing baking extracts, adding a layer of complexity and sophistication to your recipes. Experiment and discover new flavor profiles. King Arthur Baking, a name synonymous with quality since 1790, ensures this espresso powder is crafted with the finest ingredients. Experience superior flavor and aroma in every use. The 3 ounces reusable jar keeps it fresh and readily available. It's perfectly sized for home bakers and professional kitchens alike. As America's oldest flour company and a 100% employee-owned business, King Arthur is committed to providing the highest quality baking products. It's a commitment to excellence you can taste. What we like. It's a premium espresso powder that acts as a flavor enhancer, especially for chocolate. Its versatility makes it suitable for various baking applications. If you are looking for a high-quality product from a trusted brand to enhance the flavor of your desserts, this is the one for you. What people say. Dissolves quickly into any liquid or batter. I add it to brownies, cakes, ice cream, etc. Really enhances chocolate flavor in any recipe. It works wonders for baking, in whatever quantity you choose. It is a very fine powder and mixes in well for a subtle rich flavor that isn't at all overpowering. This product adds a rich depth of flavor that the substitutes do not. It was absolutely delicious. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.